Guys, welcome back once again. So today I'm back with another video, and it's about how to convert a video into an audio file. It's a new thing seen in I've seen, and it's about the app is Zenda. You know, Zenda is used for sending and receiving messages through phones, but they've also introduced some new features in it, and I would like to show you. So let's begin. So let me open my Zenda. So this is the app. Is an app. I'll leave the link to the app for you. You can download it on Play Store and also Google Chrome. So I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. So let me open it. So when you open, this is the interface. It's white. The interface is white, but I just I want this one. I just darken it, so it will look good for me. So you just come here. You come to um you come to MP3. You click here. So you click to MP3. Then you see it says select video. So you click on it, and you go to where your videos is, and you choose the kind of video you want to use it for. The kind of video you want to use. So you click on the video you want to convert it to MP3. So let's take, for example, I want this first video. So I'll click on it. So as you can see, it has finished converting. So you see, even this one, it will help you save some space on your phone. You see, the video was about 2 megabytes or so, but after it finished converting, it's 88 kilobytes. So it will help you save some space on your phone for other things. So that's it. You just convert it, so you can play it here, and you can also go and play it in your files. It's also there. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. See you some other time. Bye.